having a great day today. I am here today to show you how I got these beautiful beach waves using the Beachwaver S1 tool. So if you're interested in learning how I achieve these beautiful beach waves, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I haven't prepped my hair at all. The only thing that I did was, first I washed my hair last night, and then I put this Miracle Creator by Matrix in my hair. And it's kind of like a multi-purpose spray, but it also helps with heat protectant. But that's all I've done this morning. I've just brushed my hair out. So I went ahead and put my curling iron on the highest heat. It has all the controls right here. So it's got the off button, it's got less heat, more heat. This is the buttons that control the curling, and then this home button just takes it back to the front. So yeah, and there's also a fast or a slow, and I always just keep mine on slow. So I went ahead and preset my heat to 410, which is pretty high, but I have super thick hair. If you have thinner hair, I suggest doing it like at 370 or 390. And I also have to take my hair in sections. So I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair. Okay, so now I take this bottom layer here. First things first is you want to get about an inch thick of hair, and with the clip facing forwards, you always want your curls to go in the front of your face, to go away from your face. There's a couple different techniques that I use. I sometimes rotate, do curls forwards or backwards, and I do some forwards, and just kind of adds texture in your hair. So that's what I'm going to show you guys today. So I've got my curling iron facing forwards, and I'm going to place the clamp about midway and start rotating my curling iron with my hand. Then I'm going to press the backwards button and wrap it all the way, leaving out a good inch, inch and a half at the tips of my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it out, and look at this. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Look at that perfect bouncy wave. Okay, so now what I'm going to do on this next piece, instead of putting the hair on the front side of the curling iron, what I'm going to do is flip the curling iron around and clamp my hair in from the back side about midway and rotate it inwards towards my face, pushing the button that goes forwards. Sounds complicating, but I promise once you try it out a couple times, you will get the hang of it. Now what we have here is one curl facing away from our face and one curl facing towards our face. And I'm gonna go ahead and just alternate that all the way around this half of my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on this other side here, doing the same exact thing. Okay, so now we got the bottom half complete. I'm gonna section my hair off into one more section here. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing up here, starting these front pieces around our face, going away from the face. Okay, so when you take this piece and you're going away from your face, going midway down, a tip that I have is whenever you're curling your curling iron, see that little gap in between your curl there? If you see, it gives it more of an elongated curl, whereas if you were to just take it and wrap it around here and really tight, it would make it more of a tight curl, but I like to put space in between that. Also, shout out to my girl Kaylee Huddleston, who colors my hair. She does a freaking phenomenal job. She's amazing. have an event to go to tonight for work. So I'm super excited about that. Super excited to get dressed up. We're gonna have a little fashion show for the mall. I think there's gonna be some beauty influencers there, and also an American Idol winner, Trent something. I don't really know, but it's gonna be super fun. Okay, so now just take it down this top layer. This is the important layer, of course. What these other layers below here have just done is kind of give us texture, more volume. I'm gonna start and go ahead and get this side done and over with. So I'm taking this front piece, curling it away from my face, creating that gap on the curling iron to elongate our curls, holding it for just a couple seconds and then pulling it down. Then I'm gonna take this middle section and I'm gonna make it go frontwards. See how we're still leaving a large end out of the curling iron. You can see it kind of gives that straight look at the end. If you wanted to put hairspray in your hair before, you totally can. With this curling iron, I swear to you, I do not have to put any product in my hair and my curls hold all day long. Okay, so once we get to these front bangs, I'm gonna start curling them all away from my face. And sometimes I like to hold my front bang curls just a little bit longer than I do the rest of my hair, just because I want those to stay out of my face. Taking a little bit smaller piece at this very, very front bang area. And the last piece. Notice I have not touched these curls. I'm letting them set and cool off a little bit. Next step that we're going to do is flip our head upside down and shake out the curls. Look at the volume, are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Okay, so look at these curls. Just from that head flip. Shook out my curls just a little bit, not taking a brush, just using my fingers to separate the pieces more so than brush it out. I'm just kind of separating those curls. So now I'm going to take this Ouai hair care finishing cream. I really don't know what it's used for. I just got it in a sample thing, and I really like it for these curls because I personally do not like hairspray. For these curls, I want it to be voluptuous and flowy and to be able to rub my hands through my hair throughout the day. I just take a little bitty dab of this finishing cream, rub it all in my hands, and then I'm just going to run it through my hair. It gives a nice shine to your hair. It helps it look more piecey, and it also smooths out your curls, so they don't look so frizzy. So I really, really like this finishing cream for when I curl my hair. I'm just messing with it, playing with it a little bit, just placing it where I think is good. And there we go. There's my beachy waves using the Beachwaver. I didn't even mention, this is the S1. They have a bunch of different sizes, but I use the S1 barrel. This is, I think, one of their original styles. Definitely recommend. You can get it at Dillard's and also at Ulta, I believe. Definitely go try this out. If you hate it the first time you use it, keep using it because you will get used to it. I promise. It takes a little bit of practice, but once you figure it out and you nail the technique, you will be obsessed. I think in real time, it took me 15 minutes to curl my hair. So super, super quick, easy hair, curly, beautiful beach wave, the perfect trend right now. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this hair tutorial today. If you liked it, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up below and hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment below and tell me what your favorite hair tool is and maybe your favorite products that you like to put in your hair after you curl it or style it, because I don't really have a lot of hair products. I haven't really tried out a lot. So let me know your favorites and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.